Protecting their natural place in the world is now more urgent than ever. Conservation of these rare animals has proven to be a challenge.
The T2 range is built for both.
It's my great pleasure to attend the new vehicle launch ceremony of United Group of Industries and Jetour. On behalf of the Consulate General of the People's Republic of China in Lahore, I'd like to extend my warm congratulations on the successful holding of this event.
I'm from Germany. I'm from South Africa. I'm from the UK. I'm from New Zealand.
I am from England.
I am originally from America, but I've been in Namibia for almost 40 years.
And I love cheetahs because of their speed and elegance.
And I love cheetahs because they're cute but fierce.
I love the cheetahs because of the bonds that they show with their brothers and sisters that they live with.
And I love cheetahs because I believe they have the power and the beauty to inspire people all around the world to conserve them and many other very important species.
What I love best about the cheetah is its eyes, because the eyes look through you and beyond you, from their past into their present. Their present can only be through their survival. Their survival is in our hands. Please help me.
I'm here working with the CRCC, helping to keep cheetahs alive and to keep cheetahs in the wild.
Like all animals, the more you start learning about a certain animal, the more you start caring about it. And I want to work as hard as I possibly can to make sure that they have a place on this planet and be able to stay in the wild.
Another important milestone for United Group of Industries and Jetour Pakistan. At United Group, our approach to the automotive sector has always been guided by a long-term vision. We believe that meaningful participation in Pakistan's automotive industry requires more than introducing new vehicles to the market.
To celebrate another important milestone in Jetour's journey in Pakistan. Since our beginning, Jetour has been driven by a simple idea: to create mobility that inspires people to explore more. Through our Travel Plus strategy, we combine automotive innovations with the spirit of travel, creating products and experiences designed around the changing lifestyle of our customers. Today, Jetour has expanded to more than 100 countries and regions. In 7 markets like Saudi Arabia and UAE, we firmly rank #1 among Chinese brands. In the SUV D and off-road segment, Jetour is #1 in many Middle Eastern countries.